By 2018, Shaun White was already a snowboarding legend, but he still had something to prove. After falling short in 2014 in Sochi, critics wondered if he could reclaim his Olympic glory. In PyeongChang, Shaun stepped onto the halfpipe with one goal in mind: redemption. His first two runs were solid, but it all came down to the third and final run, and boy, did he deliver. Shaun threw down a back-to-back 1440s, a move so challenging it left even his competitors in awe. When the score came in, 97.75, it wasn't just a win, it was a statement. Shaun had done it again, earning his third Olympic gold and cementing his legacy. What Shaun taught us is simple. When pressure is on, dig deep and rise to the occasion. What's your favorite Shaun White moment? Let us know in the comment below, and keep on pushing.